Hello everyone. So far we're discussing today chemical bond in this chapter. So in the chemical bond, so we have discussing types of bonds here. So first we know the definition of chemical bond. Then after we entered into types of bond here. So today I would like to say in simple method definition of the chemical bond and with examples. So we know already students can easily understanding for this class. So now I would like to tell definition of chemical bond here. So chemical bonds means that chemical bonds are the force that holds the atoms to produce molecules or atoms. So that we call as a chemical bond between the two atoms. It may be form a one bond, that is a chemical bond. So it may be form ionic bond, either covalent or metallic bonds. So now we see these three types of bonds here. So now I would like to say ionic bond definition and covalent bond definition and metallic bond. So ionic bond means means exchange of electrons or transfer of electrons between the two atoms to form ionic bond here. So next definition of covalent bond is covalent bond means covalent bonds, it will mutual transfer of electrons here. And metallic bond means between the two metal atoms. So it may be pooling electrons or losing, or it may be loose or free electrons, according as metallic bond here. So how they are formed? So I was discussing here. So now let me tell about one by one process: ionic bond, covalent bond, and metal bond with an examples. So first we see a chemical bond already. So already we understanding about a chemical bond. So how the form chemical bonds and what are the types of bonds here. So now I would like to say ionic bond first, and with example next covalent bond and metallic bond. So here first one is ionic bond. So already told you ionic bond is a bond so between the two atoms, means that it transfer of or it exchange of electrons between the two atoms. For example, so this is ionic bond. మన తెలుగులో దీన్ని అయానిక బంధం అంటాం. సో అయానిక బంధం ఏం లేదు, సింపుల్. ఇది అంటే మనం జనరల్గా ఒకదాన్ని నుంచి ఇంకో దానికి పంచడం అనమాట. ఒకదాని ఇక్కడ ఉన్న ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ అక్కడ వెళ్ళిపోవడం, అక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ రావడం, దీన్ని ఎక్స్చేంజ్ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్ లేదా ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ అంటాం. సో ఇది మెటల్కి మరియు నాన్ మెటల్కి జరుగుతుంది. మెటల్కి మరియు నాన్ మెటల్ మధ్యలో జరుగుతుంది. సో నౌ యూ కెన్ సీ హౌ ద అయానిక్ బాండ్ విల్ ఫామ్. సో అయానిక బంధం అనేది ఎట్లా ఏర్పడుతుందంటే, ఫస్ట్ లోహంకి అలోహాలకి మధ్య ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ అనేవి ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ లేదా or exchange of electrons. So now how can they do? Now we'll see. Okay, so ముఖ్యంగా అయానిక బంధంలో జనరల్గా ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ అనేవి ఇలా ఎక్స్చేంజ్ అవుతూ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ అవుతూ ఉంటాయి. సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ దిస్ ఈజ్ ఐ విల్ టేక్ వన్ atom. This is a sodium atom, carries positive charge, and plus this is a non-metal. Here is a chlorine, the halogen group. So this is a metal, first alkali metal, and here one metal and non-metal. So to form means here exchange of electron, this and this, okay, and it will form sodium chloride. So this is a ionic bond. Okay, the sodium chloride is salt, table salt. So this is a ionic bond. Small description about this. So next we will discuss covalent bond. Okay, covalent bond. Here covalent bond means మనం తెలుగులో దీన్ని సమనియోజక బంధం అంటాము. సో సమానంగా పంచుకుంటుంది అంటే మీన్స్ దట్ కోవలెంట్ బాండ్ మీన్స్ ద మ్యూచువల్ షేరింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ between the two atoms. So now we will see example. It will happen between the both are non-metals. For example, HCl. So HCl, so it is a 17 group elements. chlorine, the halogen carries 7. Okay, 7, and hydrogen carries only 1 electrons. So it is not stable. So when the sharing of electrons mutually means this electron goes to here and it will form so it's bond between the hydrogen and chlorine atoms. So this is a HCl band. So bond means so hydrogen and chlorine, so they are mutually sharing between the hydrogen and chlorine. So that's why calling as the covalent bond. Okay, covalent bond. So it will be it might happen, it must be happen in between the metals. Both are non-metals, so it will form covalent bond. Okay, covalent bond, we'll see many examples. First best example is HCl. So next now see metallic bond here. So metallic bond. So metallic bond, it is nothing but the bond is formed between the two metal atoms. So two metal atoms, it is the metallic bond. So for example, zinc plus Zn plus Zn2 plus 2, so it may be lose 2 electrons, means free electrons here. So for example, this is a positive charge and here free electrons. These are the free electrons here. So when they are close to each other, then electricity is generated. So the free electrons and it loses electrons. That means it is pooling or losing such electrons or such type of bond we calling as a metallic bond. Okay, metallic bond. This it is arranged in a lattice structure, means lattice structure. So we have free electrons here and positive charge. So are also iron is the best example here. The 2 plus and 2 electrons generated here, and it will lose 2. So this is metallic bonds, means types of bond here we discuss. So first one is ionic bond and covalent bond and metallic bond. The short form ICM in chemical bond series. So I hope all of you are understanding about these concepts in chemical bonds. Within the we see types of bonds here: ionic and covalent bond and metallic bonds. So these are very important to understanding well. So these are the today class sections. So thank you for understanding, and finally and do subscribe my channel and to see more update videos. Thank you.